Now open page number 16 of your book. Here it's our topic, muscles and skeleton. What is our today's objective? Understand that animals with skeletons have muscles attached to the bones. What is our big idea today? If humans and animals did not have muscles, they would not be able to move. Yes. If you're only having the bones, we are not having a proper, you can say, structure, and even we are not able to perform our different activities. Now have a look of this picture. Here it's a picture of a jungle animal, such a powerful and strong animal, cheetah. Here you can observe his body. He's having a, you can say, first inside, if you talk about the inside, the cheetah is having the skeleton. Then above the skeleton, the cheetah is having the muscles, and then above the muscles you can see the dotted skin of the cheetah. Okay, now what this is a proper, you can say, structure of him. And now come toward the inner structure. In the same way, we can I told you people, the skeleton, I even you can just compare the cheetah's skeleton with my cat's skeleton. It's having a different skeleton as compared to we humans. So what is happening here? If you talk about the back one, this one, you can say this one portion, this is the this portion is having the you can see structure here. It's here pelvis here. Pelvis is connecting to the thigh of the cheetah. This thigh bone, I told you, even that is, this is the longest bone, we call it femur. Then down, it's this side is called the tibia. And in the same way, come here on the other side, other lower muscles. Here, this above portion is the femur, and then this joint, even this joint is even visible here. This joint we call it patella. Now come down. What do you think muscles do? What do the muscles do? What do you think? I guess now you people get the idea. Muscles help our body to move properly with a grip. Muscle give the strength to our body. Why do you think the cheetah needs strong muscles in its legs? Why the cheetah is needing the strong muscles in its legs? Because if these muscles are not enough strong, the cheetah will be unable to do the high jumps, and even the cheetah will be unable to run fast. Basically, these strong muscles which are present here in the you can say this portion, it is helping the cheetah to move fast and to you can say support the whole body of the cheetah. Now come down. Why do you think the cheetah needs strong muscles in its legs? Again, I told you, because it's helping the cheetah to move. Do you think we need to have strong muscles in our legs? Yes. We should have a strong muscles in our legs, because number one, it is performing two functions. Number one, it is holding the whole weight of our body, plus it is helping our body to move with a grip on the floor. Humans and animals need muscles so they can move. We can feel muscles all over the body. I think so it's very clear to you people. Investigation. Let's try to find out some muscles. I think so I have performed this investigation in my lecture first, in my lesson first, but I'm reading it here once again for you people. Put your left arm straight out and make a firm fist. Put your right hand on the muscles between your elbow and the shoulder. Bring your fist toward your shoulder. What happens when you bend your arm? I have shown it to you people. When I bend my arm, my upper muscles, what we call them? Biceps muscle. What we call them? Bicep. My upper muscles contract while my lower muscles relaxes. Upper muscles, biceps contract while my triceps relaxes. Come to the other page. This is the page number 17 of your book. Come here. We are having some other, you can say, task here. We can find muscles all over our body. The picture shows where the main muscles are. But what do they do? Come here. Have a look of this picture. This is very important picture. I told you The muscles which are present here in the jaw, which are present around the jawbone, we call it jaw muscles. Here, which are present on in the neck portion, strengthening the neck, able the neck to move, we call it neck muscle. The muscles around the shoulder blade, we call it shoulder muscles. On this portion, the inner side or the upper side, we call it biceps. The lower side, we call it triceps. In the same way, we are having a tummy muscles here, we call them stomach muscles. Few people are having this, you can say, flat tummies. Few people are having the bulky tummies. The bulky tummy, the people who are having the bulky tummies, they are having more, you can say more amount of the fats which are just gathered here. So they are having the fatty stomach muscles. Then we are having the thigh muscles here. Thigh muscles are, again, we call them, here is a bone called femur, which is femur together with the thigh muscles. It's performing the two functions. It's holding the, or you can say it's bearing the weight of the whole body, and plus it is making us able to move with a grip on the floor. Then come down on the lower leg. The front side muscle of the lower leg, this side, front side, we call it shin muscles, while the muscles which are at the back side of our you can say lower leg, we call it calf muscles. Now come here, what these muscles are doing. Which muscle do you think we use to do these activities? Walking. Look at the picture to help you. Walking. Which muscles are helping you to walk? I think so your all muscles are helping you to walk. Talking, in particularly your jaw muscles. Eating, jaw muscles. Running, in the running, which muscles are helping you? The muscles in your lower portion, thigh muscles, shin muscles, and calf muscle. Breathing is happening inside your chest portion. I guess your if we breathe, the all the muscles which are present here in the chest, it is showing the movement, plus your stomach muscles are even showing the movement in that. Picking up a pencil. What we are doing in the picking up a pencil, we are using all the muscles which are present in our arm and the hands. They are helping us. Swimming muscles in the swimming. Yes, swimming is a very good exercise, because in the swimming are each and every body muscles mostly involved in it, and whenever we are having a good practice of the swimming, it is also giving the strength to each and every muscle of our body. So it's a good exercise. Mild swimming is a good exercise. How do muscles work? We know that our skeleton is made up of bones that are hard and white. Bones cannot move on their own. This is why we have muscles. Think about our arm. We already know that we have three main bones in our arms: the humerus, the ulna, the radius. The upper one called, if we have a look, this one, if I guess it's visible to all. Here, this is humerus, and here two bones are present, one called radius, other called ulna. Where bones meet, we have joints. For example, the elbow joint. Have a look here. This is the elbow joint here. This portion is your elbow joint. Okay. We have three bones. We have three main bones in our arm: the humerus, ulna, and the radius. Where bones meet, we have joints. For example, the elbow, the shoulder, the hip, and the knee are joints. Muscles are attached to every bone. These muscles help us to move the bone. This is how we bend our arms and legs. Humans and animal skeletons work in the similar way. All skeletons muscles attached to the bones, and they all have joints where bones meet up. This is a small activity. We can quickly do it here. True and false. Muscles are attached to bones. True. Bones can move on their own. No, it's totally wrong. False. Elbow and knees are example of joints. Elbows and knees are example of joints. Yes, it's true. We use our jaws muscles for walking. We use our jaw muscle for walking. Oh no, we use our jaw muscles for. We use our jaw muscles for talking. Yes, it's true option here. Okay. Allah Hafiz. I guess you people get the clear idea about you today's topic, muscles, and be a responsible person at home. Help your mama baba in the different tasks, and don't disturb them. Okay, and focus on your studies. Allah Hafiz.